We have a question today from Lisa that involves every parent's favorite problem, biting as well as tantrums. So Lisa writes, how do I get my 5-year-old to stop biting herself and others? She also tantrums. Please help. Well, what we have here, Lisa, is really 3 problems. One is biting herself, biting other people, and tantruming. For the biting other people, that would be countable. If you're using 1, 2, 3 magic, you're going to do a calm and decisive count of 3, means it's an automatic 3, and then there's going to be a brief respite or timeout. We also say to the child, no biting, biting hurts people. The worst thing you can do is to get excited, lecture, get upset. That will make it worse for sure. So that's for biting others. You can soothe the bitee, the person that got bit, and you're going to time out the biter, which would be your daughter in this situation, and you repeat that over and over. If she's in a preschool setting or something like that, you want them to do the same thing there. Biting, by the way, is normal. Lots of kids do it. I know it's embarrassing in public when your child leaves teeth marks in somebody else's arm, but it happens a lot. 5 is getting a little late for biting, so we want to do something constructive about it, but getting real upset is not something constructive. The second thing is her biting herself, and what I would do with that is I wouldn't do anything. I would ignore it. If you get all upset about that and lecture her or talk to her, you're playing right into her hands. This could also be, in 1, 2, 3 magic terms, a form of testing and manipulation, type 4, which is martyrdom, combined with type 6, which is physical tactics. So you might want to take a look at the 1, 2, 3 magic book as well. Finally, with tantrums, you need a calm and decisive way of dealing with tantrums. Tantrums are caused by kids not getting what they want, usually from you. Tantrums are normal. The age for tantrums is about 1.5 years on up to 5 years of age. Tantrums are usually caused by good parenting, as in limit setting, and so that's a good thing. When a child tantrums, the worst thing you can do is talk to them or try and reason with them. So tantrums are a countable offense, so you can do a 1, 2, 3. At 3, there's going to be a rest period, timeout, or whatever. Tantrums can also be very upsetting in public, so it's very hard to be calm and decisive in that situation, but it's very important that you do that. I think overall, judging from these three problems, you might want to take a look at the 1, 2, 3 Magic video or book, because I think you need an organized philosophy of how to deal with kids, and I would bet you anything right now that you're probably talking too much and aggravating the problem. So that's it. I hope this works. Good luck.